Robinhood Robo-advisor for Investing Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into Robinhood's Robo-advisor, a service designed to simplify investing for beginners and those who prefer a hands-off approach. Robinhood's Robo-advisor offers automated portfolio management using algorithms to select a mix of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, based on your risk tolerance and goals. It's ideal for investors who want a low-cost, beginner-friendly solution without the need for picking individual stocks. The platform's primary appeal lies in its low fees. There are no management fees, and Robinhood doesn't charge commissions on trades, which is a huge plus for those looking to minimize costs. One of the key features of Robinhood's Robo-advisor is its personalized risk assessment. After answering a few simple questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, the system creates a tailored portfolio. It then automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain optimal diversification as market conditions change. This hands-off nature makes it accessible for users who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. The service also integrates with your Robinhood brokerage account, meaning you can view both your self-managed and automated investments in one place, making it easy to track performance and adjust if needed. However, it's important to note that while Robinhood's Robo-advisor is great for newcomers, it's not as comprehensive as some more established robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. For instance, there's no tax loss harvesting or financial planning services, which could be a deal breaker for more experienced investors or those seeking a higher level of personalization. So who is this for? If you're a beginner, someone who wants a simple and low-cost solution, or even a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio without much involvement, Robinhood's Robo-advisor could be a good fit. But if you're seeking more advanced features or personalized financial advice, you might want to consider other options. To sum it up, Robinhood's Robo-advisor is an excellent no-frills option for passive investors who want a low-cost, automated investing solution with minimal effort. However, it's not the right choice if you need more advanced features or deeper financial advice.